Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious and easy chicken mushroom salad. This recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, offering a wonderful blend of textures and savory flavors. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including tender cooked chicken, earthy mushrooms, and a few fresh vegetables to create a truly satisfying meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, take your cooked chicken and dice it into small, bite-sized pieces, about 1/2-inch cubes. Next, thinly slice about 8 ounces of fresh mushrooms. Then, finely chop 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a red onion. These preparations ensure every bite of your salad is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. The dressing is key to this salad's amazing flavor. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty kick. Finally, season your dressing with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Mix until it's smooth and well combined. With all your components ready, it's time to bring this delicious salad together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your diced chicken, sliced mushrooms, chopped celery, and red onion. Pour the creamy, zesty dressing evenly over all the ingredients. Toss everything carefully until every piece is beautifully coated. Serve your easy chicken mushroom salad immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.